Good morning, students. Here, Neela ma'am from SKM Public School. Students, I am going to teach you Unit 5 Children and Women in Sports. Today, my topic is role of various professionals for children with special needs or for differently abled. So, various professionals are counselor, occupational therapist, physiotherapist, physical education teacher, speech therapist, and special educator. So, the role of the various professionals such as school counselor, occupational therapist, physiotherapist, etc. for children with special needs is really vital, very important. They help and support such children in achieving their full potential, improving their motor skills, giving ability to communicate properly, and in promoting their mental as well as physical health. The details of the role of various professionals for children with special needs. First is counselor, that is school counselor we can say. So counselor is the trained person who improve our students' ability to function in social, emotional and behavioral capacity, and they provide support their partner and their families, which is beneficial for disabled child from time to time. Then the role of counselor is to help all students, including those with special needs, to achieve their full potential, cope better with the disabilities, and provide a safe or supportive help. So, school counselor is the specialist who work with students with special needs in schools. A school counselor is a member of the education team who provides valuable assistance to students with special needs. He also helps them with their academic goals, their social, personal, and career development. He assists teaching staff with strategies on how to support such students in distress. He also carries out development programs related to stress management, anger management, conflict management, and positive thinking. He helps all students, including students with special needs, to achieve their full potential, gain self-confidence, and to become productive members of the society. He also refers students and their families to community resources for specific assistance. Then other is occupational therapist. It is the treatment of physical and physiatric condition to promote independent function in all aspects of daily life. The role of therapist to address a child's ability to perform activities of daily living like making, eating, drinking, dressing, toileting, bathing, etc. In spite of their disabilities, they encourage the child's potential to participate in different activities. Here spelling is IN, in different activities, so that the impact of disabilities is minimized day by day, and they also work on hand-eye coordination to improve skill like hitting a ball and coping from a blackboard. So, an occupational therapist helps children with special needs in performing self-care skills like eating, dressing, bathing, and grooming. that is activities related to fine motor skills. He also helps children in participating and interacting with others in play. He helps children in adapting to regular school. He may suggest aids for writing and other classroom activities to help them to participate equally with other children. He also play an effective role in helping children with special needs to improve their fine motor skills and handwriting. This can help children to learn to grasp and release toys and other objects. He also works on hand-eye coordination to improve skills such as hitting a ball or copying from a blackboard. So here students, spelling of copying, 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 okay, copying from a blackboard in the last time. Then physiotherapist, they are also known as movement specialists because they evaluate and improve the movement and function of body, especially for balance, posture, fatigue and pain. The important role of physiotherapist is to maximize a child's ability to move and control pain in the joint, muscles and bones. Use several techniques including massage and manipulation exercise, then electrotherapy and hydrotherapy for children with special needs. So students, a physiotherapist is concerned with the gross motor skills and mobility of the children with special needs. The role of a physiotherapist is to assess and manage children and young persons with movement disorders, disability. The aim of a physiotherapist is to help the children with special needs to their full potential through providing physical intervention, advice and support. A physiotherapist concentrates in particular on problems that affect muscles, bones, circulation of blood and lungs. He evaluates movement and functions of the body of children with special needs with particular attention to physical mobility, balance, posture, fatigue and pain. Physiotherapists use a range of techniques including massage, manipulation, exercise and movement, electrotherapy and hydrotherapy. Then role of physical education teacher. Physical education teachers generally determine the abilities of students with special needs that may need implementing to support their participation in sports and fitness. The children need the support and encouragement from physical education teachers to participate regularly in physical activities. So physical education teachers need to determine the abilities of students with special needs. They also need to determine measures to be implemented to support their participation in sports and fitness. Physical education teachers help students with special needs to improve their physical fitness. They help in improving hand-eye coordination, flexibility, muscular strength, endurance and even cardiovascular efficiency. Physical education teachers also provide such physical activities for students with special needs which may help in reducing anxiety, stress, tension and depression. The interaction and involvement with students without special needs also help to give students with special needs a sense of confidence. Physical education teachers help students with special needs in developing a sense of self-esteem, which can be important as students with special needs may often feel isolated and removed from the group. They organize various physical activities for students with special needs in order to promote their mental and physical health. Then there is also role of speech therapist. They play an important role in the treatment for speech and language disorders. A speech disorder involves a problem producing words. Problem producing here words, better spelling is words, okay, not words, and sounds that makes the child difficulty to emphasis. Okay, here spelling of word, words, words, not word. Speech therapist might use play or book to arouse, communicate and increase chances to develop language skills. A speech therapist in school provides treatment, support and care for students with special needs who have difficulties in communication. Speech therapist helps the student with special needs to gain ability to communicate through speech and language. Speech therapists help and provide training for those students who face difficulty in producing sounds or syllables or saying words incorrectly. They also help such students who have fluency disorders like stoppages, repetitions, or prolonging sounds in words. Then special educator. Special educator deals with children with intellectual disabilities. The children weigh problems in oral impression, listening comprehension, written impression, basic react skills, reading comprehension, mathematical calculation. So a special educator or education teacher often has students with varying learning, mental, physical and emotional abilities. They may assist students with special needs in the areas of physical skills, learning through play, communication, improving social and emotional skills. Indeed, special educators' main responsibility is to assess their students' cognitive abilities. They also create and apply curricula and activities to meet the requirements of students with special needs. So there are the special educator plays an important role. How they play an important role? Let's explain. Provides oral instruction for students with reading disabilities, regular evaluation of children with special needs, and let them know well them progressive towards individual of class goal. To make activities brief and short, as long activities are particularly frustrating learning children with special needs. To ensure a safe environment for students. So today you have learned about the role of various professionals for children with special needs, and those various professionals are counselor, occupational therapist, physiotherapist, physical education teacher, speech therapist and special educator. So students, this chapter is completed. This chapter is for physical education and sports for differently abled. So this chapter is complete now, and you will prepare notes of chapter number 4. Presented by Mrs. Neelam Jain. Student, thank you. Stay alert, stay healthy, mask yourself, take proper care. Thank you. God bless all of us.